With its rich history dating back to ancient times, Piraeus is a treasure trove of stories waiting to be explored. The city was founded in the early 5th century BC. The port of Piraeus is the chief port in Greece and one of the top largest passenger port in Europe. Piraeus is a rocky outcropping on the Greek western coast that features the steep hill of Munychia. Its prime geographical location and closeness to the Greek capital attracts people from across the country. The metro from Monastiraki to Piraeus takes about 20 minutes and approximately 55 minutes from Athens International Airport. Piraeus is not only the busiest container port in Mediterranean but also serves ferries to many famous Aegean islands, including Crete, Santorini, Mykonos, Milos, Rhodes and Castellorizo. It is indeed a great place to stop over for a day after adventurous traveling to Aegean islands to get back energy for next exploration into Athens city. There are also crews operating from Piraeus port to Saronic islands of Aegina, Poros, Hydra, Kea, Kythnos as well as Agistri with beautiful beach like Halikiata. Embarked on a myriad of adventures, weaving through diverse activities and exploring a plethora of captivating destinations. Step back in time as you wander through the ancient ruins of the Long Walls and the theater of Piraeus. For stunning views of the Aegean Sea, head to Micro Limano, a picturesque marina filled with luxury yachts and seafood restaurants. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the Archaeological Museum of Piraeus, home to a fascinating collection of artifacts. If you're a history buff, be sure to explore the Maritime Museum of Greece and learn about Piraeus' maritime heritage. Immerse yourself in the local culture by visiting the Municipal Theatre of Piraeus, a historic landmark that hosts a variety of performances. It is worth visiting Piraeus railway station, which sits next to the seaport, for its beautiful architecture which attracts many tourists who come to bring home memorable pictures. Take a leisurely stroll through Passalamani, a charming neighborhood known for its colorful buildings and lively atmosphere. Piraeus is home to numerous churches. One of them, Holy Trinity, sits beautifully near the port and has its unique history, architecture, and cultural significance. Indulge in a delicious seafood meal at one of the many waterfront restaurants and tavernas offering fresh catch of the day. The nightlife of the city is vibrant with numerous bars and nightclubs. Most of the major shopping areas are found on the central avenues of Piraeus. Discover the hidden gems of Piraeus by exploring its lesser-known neighborhoods like Castella and Z Marina. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a foodie, or a beach lover, PIRAEUS has something special for everyone to enjoy. As the sun sets over the enchanting city, take a moment to savor the beauty and tranquility of PIRAEUS. Join us on our next exploration.